What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be finishing off this Lexus build, and before the end of this video this Lexus will finally be back in the Jeep permanently, never coming out again. Oh. So guys, just to show you, I had to buy a new O-ring for, let me just show you the engine and show you what's going to be done on this video. Okay, so a little walk around. What's left to do on this engine is power steering pump, alternator, take off both of these manifolds, cut it and put a bend on here, 90 degree down, take the ECU out, make up a little bracket for my selector. Taking off this manifold, take off this TPS. In the last video you can hear in the last startup that the engine was struggling a little bit to idle. It's because of this TPS that's cracked. So either going to buy a new one or try and fix it on the Jeep side. This wiring, that's for the starter. All these wirings for the injectors will be coming out. Some more wiring for the gearbox will be coming out. This is from my main power. There's my main power. This is all positives. If you route them, you'll find they all come to my relay box and fuse box. Just a few fuses I'll be using, actually fuel pump, my starter, obviously with the wipers. That's it for the engine compartment. So yeah, that's it guys. I think we are really close to putting this engine back in the Jeep. Should be fired up. It's a bit late today and I'm not going to do much today, so I'll probably catch you guys in the morning. What's up guys? So it's the next day. I've been prepping this morning to put this engine in, and this will be the last time that you will ever see the engine on its dolly. I've been thinking about how are we going to do this last night. I think I'm going to put the engine in first. I'll sort out the wiring from there on. Alrighty guys, so it's time to put in this engine, and honestly I'm so excited. So what do you have to say, Mila? So yeah, Mila is here with me. This is getting exciting now. So guys, I'm going to show you a little time lapse of where I put in this engine. I've done it before, so if you want to see it, just go to this video up above and check it out how I've done it before. So let's do a little bit of a time lapse on this. Catch you guys when it's in. check it out, guys. The engine is in. Just check how nice this engine actually fits in this. And then let me take you out on the bottom as well. As you guys would have seen, still have to just take the jack out. There's the transmission mount. I do have one issue though. This is a longer oil filter than was on here, so it's heating the subframe. Steering rack clearance looks good. The engine mounts are good. The engine is in. So what's left to do? Hook up the fuel lines to the electrical, and I'll be utilizing this fuse box as well as this fuse box here. So nothing to it really. I can't see why people pay so much for these conversions. I'll do a little price breakdown when I'm done with this project. So next I want to touch onto these existing wires, clean them up a little bit. I want to also work out these wiring harness, what's going on in there, because my radiator needs to go lower than that. So I'll probably have to remove this trunking to make it go just a little bit lower. And then also test with the fan. I need a transmission cooler, and if anyone has one lying around, transmission cooler or a prop shaft, hook me up please. That's probably also why my build is not that expensive. Also do some of the lines, cooling lines. Yeah, there's still a lot to do, but we can start this engine in here. I'm a bit afraid to start without the headers. So guys, if you do have something for me, just comment down below and I'll send you my details. We can sort it out. Okay, so we had this little issue where the left side actually hit the firewall. Put it in. So I used my Jeep's original exhaust headers, cut this little 90-degree off, cut this header off, and then just weld it on, and then also put in my little lambda sensor, and it fits like a glove. So I'll quickly put in this side, and then I'm going to test fit the other side and check if that's not an issue as well. So maybe if we get this right, we could start up this engine in the Jeep for the first time as well. Okay, so just like that, this side is done. Just to put it in, it's going to be quite easy. So let me quickly do that, and then I'll probably do some of the negative and some of the wiring. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, this is such a mission. Look at all these wires just laying around. Some for the ECU, this ECU, there's another ECU plug. I haven't even touched this ECU plug. So my next step is to sort out this side, but I've run out of time for this video, so this will probably happen in the next video. But hey, it's nice to have a clean wiring and do it proper. So guys, if any of you guys know actually what I'm doing, because I don't really know much, please comment down below and let me know if you can help me out. So guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button down below, and also the like button. It helps me, gets my videos out. And also share this video with all your friends and family. I would appreciate that. So guys, keep safe. Cheers.